Hello and welcome back to the new lecture. Today I am going to discuss about booleans in Python. So let's explore all these concepts to jump over to the PyCharm. So what is boolean? Booleans are the operators that allow you to convey true or false statements. These are very important later on when we deal with control flow and logics. As we know, the boolean contains true or false only. So for explaining the Python compiler, that is the keyword true or false, we have to write in capitalized form. That means suppose I am writing print capital T and then true, and then I am going to run the program. Here we see the true is printed. Suppose I am writing print and then simply true and then run the program, and we will see Python complaining us, that is name true is not defined. Similarly we write print false and then it prints false, and similarly if we write print and then small letter false, then Python complaining us, that is name false is not defined. Later on booleans are very useful, so because you have to understand it very carefully. So moving further, I show you how we actually use booleans. I am going to take a variable that is a and I am going to assign it 2 and another variable that is v and it is going to be 4. If I am writing a is greater than b and then run the program, and we will get false. So because 2 is not greater than 4, so I am going to change this symbol to the greater than to lesser than and then run the program, and we will get true because 2 is lesser than 4. Suppose I assign b equals to 2 and then equals to. Here I am checking a is equals to b and it simply returns true because a is equals to b or 2 is equals to 2. Any positive or negative number is going to be true in Python except 0. 0 is false. So let's check out. If I am writing bool and then a and then run the program, and we will get true because 2 is a positive number, that means non-zero number. Simply I am writing here b and then it simply gives us true. For understanding purpose, here I am writing c is equals to 0 and here I am writing c and then it returns false. So here we learn every number is true in Python except 0. What about the strings? So let's check out. If here I am writing a is equals to hello and b is equals to space and then c is equals to nothing, that means blank string, and then I'm going to write bool and then first of all I'm going to write here a and then run the program, and we will get true. So because every non-empty string is considered as true in Python. So what is the output of these two lines? So here pause the video and think about it, and then come to the video and see the solution. And if you do not giving correct answer, so don't worry, we will be learn in this video in details. So let's run the program and we will get true and false. So because B is here a space, that means it is not an empty string. And here C is an empty string because nothing is inside the code. So here C is a blank string and B is a non-empty string. So let's explore more concepts in booleans. If here I am writing A is equals to true, capital T and then small RUE, and here I am going to print, and here I am going to write not. Not is a keyword, that means you obviously know not means not, nothing more about that. And then A, and now I am going to run the program and we will get false. So why we get false? Because A is true and not of true means false. So because we get false. If here I am writing false, F is capital and then every word is small in letter, and then run the program and we will get true. That means not of false is true. So that's it for booleans and the data types in Python. We learn a lot more in Python. Today I am going to show where we have to practice Python exercises. For practicing exercises we use W3 schools.